Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 9th, 2021. We have here uh, three regular Sudokus. We have here the first one, a binary, the second one, a medium Sudoku, and the third regular Sudoku is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. And in this daily newspaper, there is also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 7 or 8. We will see. But first, we will solve this baby. And this one, the binary, will be number 2917. Yes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by a 10 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 5 ones, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Oh, alright. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Then, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then, let me see. Well. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 5 cannot be here. The number 5 should be in one of those two boxes. If I place the 1 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So those two should be an O. Alright. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, cannot be, because between two O's comes an 1. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 ones. Here we have also 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those two should be no. Double O, here one, there one. And then. Let me see. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place the 5th O here or there. Otherwise, we have 3 ones in a row in this column. So the 5th O should be in one of those two boxes. So those two should be in one. 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then. Yeah. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules again. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have double 1 here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. Double O here 1, there 1. And then. Let me see. 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Number 5, the 5th O, should be in one of those 2 boxes. Cannot be here, otherwise we have 4 ones in a row. So this should be a 1. Okay, double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1, but I do not know in which order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So those 2 boxes should be an O. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Okay. Yeah. And now. And now. Wow. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's in this column. So the rest are the ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Okay. Then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So I know between an O and a 1, there's always an. With 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So the 5th should be one of those 2. Should be also an O and a 1 here. Okay. Only one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. I know an O and a 1, so I've placed the O here. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Yes! Completed in 10 minutes. Wow! Yeah. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Yeah. Not too complicated, but you need to find the way to complete this puzzle. Yeah. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A medium Sudoku, regular Sudoku. So see you then. Bye bye for now.